Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to pack your sneakers for Stockx. Now, congratulations to everyone who've made their first sale. As today, I will show you how you can ship your first sold item in or first sold sneakers on Stockx. So here we have this article by Stockx themselves explaining this step by step. So the first thing that you should do is to place your item into a bigger and sufficiently sized shipping box. A general rule, the box should be no bigger than 2 inches 5 centimeters on either side of your shoebox. So this is the first thing. Second thing is to use bubble wrap or shipping paper to ensure the item is secure in the box while in transit. This is very important, and they actually you have to respect these, or else if you don't respect these things and basically there was a problem during the shipping process, then you will be the one to blame. So make sure to respect this. And the third thing is to properly tape and secure the shipping box using the H method. So seal package across the side flaps and the seams on the top and bottom of the shipping box using the 6-strip H method with strong packing tape. Do not use masking tape, cellophane tape, or duct tape, string or paper overwrap to secure package. So this is very important, and this is how it should look like. Then tape or insert the provided shipping label to the outside of the shipping box. UPS stores should provide a folder on the outside of your package for free. And basically, do not send us a box with any personal items from the shoebox or shipping box. And do not tape the shipping box label directly into the shoebox, as you can see here. And also do not tape up and send us only the shoebox. So these are the things that you have to respect. Do not send your sneakers in a box too big with no bubble wrap or packing paper. This is what will happen. And eventually, do not send us a box with hazmat stickers on it. This is illegal. If you're using a box with these stickers or labels, you must remove them before sending. Do not use a shipping box that is too small, and basically do not send them shoebox in an envelope. Of course, as you can see here, do not write anything on the box or do anything like this, and do not send basically the shoes without the shoe box. There is a lot of things. Also, do not send a fragile item with zero packing paper, and finally, do not send them an item in a box of cereal like this. So this is something that people will do. Do not do it. And yeah, that was it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming videos.